Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Aki here. Welcome to this Superhero AI review. We are going to be taking a close look at Superhero AI, and also most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I've carefully put together to get you even better results with Superhero AI. This goes live on the 25th of June by 11 a.m. Eastern time. So in a nutshell, Superhero AI gives you the opportunity to get access to a full army of intelligent tools at your command in a single dashboard. Of course, no learning curve here, no waiting. You're just getting access to all these powerful AI. You're basically unlocking your own digital command center equipped with tools for writing, for design, for speaking, for coding, for automating everything in your online business. So even if you don't have an online business right now, getting access to Superhero AI gives you access. Basically, you have a business once you get access to Superhero AI, because there's a ton of things you can basically do. Practically every form of content possible right now you will be able to create from this dashboard. So from high converting content to 4K AI visuals, from cinematic voiceovers to entire websites and chatbots built in just minutes. Superhero AI is built for creators, entrepreneurs, digital warriors who demand more. So if you need help with research, with writing, with ads, with branding, with SEO, with scripting, this allows you to solve, your problem. Superhero AI gives you access to over 50 specialized AI assistants, each trained for a specific task, ready to respond instantly. And under the hood, you will be commanding the most advanced AI models with Superhero AI. We are talking about GPT 4.0, GPT Turbo, Gemini 2.0 Flash, Gemini 1.5 Pro, DeepSeek V3, and more. And more is being added even regularly. You can turn plain text into hyper-realistic 4K images with DALL-E. No design skills needed. Just type, click, and create. If you need voiceovers, you can just type a few words and generate studio quality voices in over 50 global languages, including different accents and emotions. If you want to read a PDF, you want to extract insights from a link, or understand what's inside an image, you can just drop it into the AI and it responds to you. So this is actually packed with different useful AI models, all under one dashboard. Now I've put together some high quality custom bonuses here to ensure you get even better results. With this, you're going to be getting access to 50,000 plus ChatGPT prompts. You're going to be getting access to 700 plus ready-made courses and sales funnels with PLR license, meaning you can sell this and keep 100% of the profit. You get access to auto links, the front end, and of course you get access to the upgrade. This is a software, cloud-based software that allows you to drive completely free traffic. It allows you to add your own affiliate links into ebooks, and then you get access to funnels as well. No monthly fees, no fees at all, because you're getting this completely free just for picking up Superhero AI. Bonus number 4, you're getting access to cloud-based software that allows you to drive completely free traffic, because you're going to be getting access to your automated cloud-based funnels. Just like this one you are looking at, you're going to be getting access to create bonus pages from done for you templates. You get access to bonuses that you can offer, and also you are going to be getting access to, plus a lot of other high quality traffic pulling bonuses you are going to be getting access here. So all you need to do is click on any of the red buttons on this page. Is going to take you to the sales page of Superhero AI. This is where We are going to be able to pick it up. Here it says, ready to unlock your inner digital superpower. Breakthrough, the world's first AI app that gives you all the powers of a digital superhero and replaces all expensive AI tools with just one super dashboard. So feel free to come check out this sales page in your own time to get more information about SuperHero AI. Once it goes live 25th of June by 11 a.m. Eastern time. There's a ton of information on the sales page, so please feel free, come check it out in your own time. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. I'm going to let you see exactly how SuperHero works now. Thank you for checking out this review, and I'll see you in the next.